Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free unlimited Lovable AI credits. First, open your browser and go to the Lovable AI website. Once the site opens, take a look around for anything related to education programs or special offers. Now, scroll through the page and explore the available options. You may see things like learning programs, workshops, or training resources designed for students and educators. Now, if you have a school or college email address, make sure to use that when signing up. Using an educational email can unlock extra benefits. Students, teachers, and academic staff often get access to special features, discounts, or free credits just by registering with their school email. After creating your account, go to your profile section. Click on your profile icon from the bottom left corner and look for an option called Bonuses. Once you open it, a small window will appear showing daily activities. These tasks are simple and can be completed every day to earn free credits. Now, complete the daily tasks regularly. Each task gives you a small number of credits, and if you do this daily, you can keep collecting free credits without paying anything. Next, you can also earn credits using the referral option. Find your invite or referral code in your account. Share this code with your friends. When someone signs up using your code, you receive free credits for each successful sign up. So by using an educational email, completing daily bonus tasks, and inviting friends with your referral code, you can keep getting Lovable AI credits for free on a regular basis. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.